Where was your most significant internship?
So my most significant internship would be the one that I had with Deloitte & Touche.
So I've had 2 internships. They were both with Quicken Loans and the family of companies down in Detroit, Michigan.
I actually got the opportunity to intern in New York City through our Cardinal career network.
I absolutely loved my time down there. They have a great internship experience. I was on our university relationship management team. So our team essentially goes to all the different universities and are kind of the face of Quicken Loans and the family of companies, helping to find top talent from different colleges and universities throughout Michigan, Ohio, and Arizona.
I work with a lot of auditors. I work with different clients. I work in the manufacturing field. All these things were really interesting, and they really made me understand that accounting is really what I want to do.
When I got out to New York, one of the big things that I had to do in my internship was actually help run this 3,000 person conference. It was basically just all hands on deck. I think it was cool because I just really spent my days kind of prioritizing and being that hard worker who wasn't scared to take my work home with me.
What skills did you gain through your internship that took your learning beyond the classroom?
Better analytical skills, better communication skills, better teamwork skills.
How has SVSU prepared you for your career?
One of the biggest things, especially going into the sports industry, is it's still so male-dominated that it's just really hard for females to break into the industry, and SVSU really just kind of gave me the courage to believe in myself and to fight for what I want to do at the end of the day.
I had the amazing opportunity to come back and be a graduate assistant in our career services office while I obtained my master's. It's helped me better understand my passion for college students. Previously, I worked as a resident assistant and was a campus ambassador for Quicken Loans, so worked hand in hand with college students throughout the past couple of years. And this has just solidified that answer for me, knowing I want to be on a college campus regardless of where my job may take me.
What extracurriculars are you involved in here at SVSU, Kofi?
When I came to SVSU as a freshman, I joined over 8 organizations.
Wow.
I also helped to start an organization called National Association of Black Accountants, which helped me career-wise. I think all these organizations are the reason why I know like 90% of the SVSU population.
So what are your plans now that you've graduated?
I actually got an offer from the company that I interned with out in New York for the summer. They're called #Sports. So right now I'm in negotiations with them to come on as a full-time employee and kind of help them with event coordination, account management, and then some content marketing.
SVSU does a lot for students' careers. They really push you to make sure that you're ready for the future.